Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Trello properly so you can stay organized and manage your projects more effectively. Trello is a visual project management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards. Think of it like a digital whiteboard where you can map out tasks and keep track of progress. First, log into Trello and create a new board. A board usually represents a project, a team workflow, or even something personal like planning an event. Give it a clear title so you always know what it's for. Inside your board, you'll create lists. Lists act as stages or categories. For example, you might set up lists like To Do, In Progress, and Done. You can customize them to match your workflow, whether it's steps in a project or different departments in your team. Within each list, you add cards. Cards are your individual tasks or items. For example, write a script can be a card under To Do. When you start working on it, drag it to In Progress, and once it's finished, move it to Done. This simple drag and drop method makes Trello very intuitive. Now let's talk about card details. Click on a card and you'll see options to add a description with more information about the task, assign members so everyone knows who's responsible, set a due date to stay on track, upload attachments like documents, images, or links. Use labels for easy color coding and filtering. Trello also has powerful automation features under the button called Automation or Butler. You can set rules like automatically archiving a card when it's moved to the Done list or sending reminders when due dates are close. This saves time and keeps your workflow smooth. For collaboration, invite team members to your board. Everyone can update progress in real time, comment on cards, and tag each other to communicate directly inside Trello. Another tip, use power-ups, which are Trello's integrations with apps like Google Drive, Slack, or Calendar. They make your workflow even more connected and efficient. And that's the proper way to use Trello for managing your tasks or projects. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more productivity tutorials. See you in the next one.